Here we're going to be looking at multiplication and division of algebraic terms. Now the key difference between multiplication of algebraic terms and addition and subtraction of algebraic terms is that any two algebraic terms can be multiplied together. So keeping that in mind, generally it's quite easy to approach a question by multiplying our coefficients first and then our pronumerals straight after. So for example, in question A, x is our pronumeral and 4 and 2 are our coefficients. So if we deal with the coefficients first, 4 times 2 is 8, and then we've got x times x. Now thinking back to index laws, if we've got x times x, that's like saying it's x to the power of 1 and x to the power of 1. If the bases, which is x, are the same, we can add our index powers. So here I can go x to the power of 1 times x to the power of 1 is the same as saying x to the power of 2. So moving on to question B, again our coefficients here are 3 and 2. So I'm just going to write that. And ax and a are our pronumerals. So multiplying our coefficients together first, we get 6. Then we've got a times x. So I'll just write that in expanded form, times a. So here I've got a times a. So following the index law again, so that becomes 6a squared times x. So my answer will be 6a squared times x. Our final example is a case of division of algebraic terms. So here I'm just going to rewrite this so I can annotate the question. So 4xz. So what you should always do is look to where you can cancel or simplify any common factors. So if we look at our coefficients first, 4 goes into 12 3 times. So I'm going to write that there. X divided by x cancels itself out, and z and y are not common factors. So writing my answer now, the answer should be 3y over z.